Now that we've explored data types, let's move on to variables, another essential concept in VEX coding. A variable is a placeholder used to store data values temporarily. These values can then be manipulated or referenced throughout your code. Variables in VEX behave much like they do in any other programming language, making them familiar and easy to use for storing and working with data. One important distinction in Houdini is that variables are local to the wrangle node. This means they exist only while the wrangle is being executed and are destroyed immediately afterward. Unlike attributes, variables do not persist across the node network and cannot be passed forward to subsequent nodes. Because of this, variables are particularly useful for storing temporary information during a computation. For instance, you might use a variable to hold an intermediate calculation or to simplify a complex expression by breaking it into smaller steps. Variables also have a separate namespace from attributes in VEX. This means you can technically declare a variable with the same name as an attribute without causing conflicts. Although this is allowed, it's strongly discouraged because it can easily lead to confusion. It's always better to use distinct names for variables and attributes to keep your code clear and maintainable. As we continue, we'll see how to use variables effectively in combination with attributes to create more advanced setups.